Hey guys, I want to show you how to make a super fast tuck top auto bottom box die line in seconds. All right, if you go to diecuttemplates.com/unboxed, go to die lines, cartons, tuck top auto bottom, come on down, select this box, and we want to pick the material that we're going to use. This is going to adjust the tolerances on the board. So let's do a 14-point board. We're working in inches, so let's make this box here. The length of this, we'll make it 6.875. The width, the gusset, we'll make that 3.125. And the height, we'll make it a really tall box. We'll go 10 inches, 0.1875. We're gonna keep it really simple, confirm and redraw. Now look how the box you've got here. This is the die that you're gonna download. You can download it as a PDF. You can download it as a DXF. We're gonna go ahead and confirm and download. If you download it as a DXF, you can drag that into Illustrator. Make sure you keep your ratio 1:1. You can bring that into CAD, or you can go ahead and put that right on a cutting table. So once you drag that die line into Illustrator, it's gonna open up right here. Zoom out, and it's ready to go. You can check the dimensions here. 3.125, 3.125. It is ready to go. Your height of 10.1875 is actually 10.2035, and the reason for that is the tolerances of the board. You want to make sure that this flap is taller than these flaps here. You can zoom in, and you can see that these are not straight, and the reason for that is this needs to be lower than that one, and this one is higher than that one. It's just, it goes ahead and creates these die lines exactly how they need to be for manufacturing. So there you have it. In seconds, you've got a tuck top auto bottom box, any size you want. Go ahead and look at diecuttemplates.com/unboxed.